environment, the females will do most of the hunting, but the males will assist in killing bigger prey like buffalo and giraffe. But then, although the females does all the hunting, the male will always get to eat first. Even to the expense of the females and the cubs. The females allow that because the males are so much bigger and stronger, but the male also provides protection and for the territory and cubs. So a male lion like this, the lifespan only 10 years in the wild, where the females can live up to 15 years. Sad to see them in captivity, but unfortunately, more than 10,000 lions in captive.
C'est pas bien ça. C'est un gros chat qui passe au